Alright, you guys, so today we'll be playing Jet Pilot by System of a Down. So first of all, the song's in drop C tuning, which is a whole step down from your standard tuning and a whole step down further on the 6th string. So the notes are D, A, F, C, G, and C again. Alright? And this song is in G minor Frisian, so... Alright? So let's take a look at the intro first, which also acts as the chorus and goes a little something like this. Alright. There's a little extended chorus in the 3rd and 4th and final chorus, but we'll take a look at it once we get there. So let's take a look at this chorus and / intro. We'll split it in 2 parts because I know it seems kind of chaotic. So the first part, it begins with this C power chord, playing it 3 times with palm mute, 5th and 6th string open, and then we have this little slide, which it's pretty particular because you don't want it related to any note in particular, so you don't want something like this. You know, you just want the slide sound, so... Alright? Hopefully that makes sense. So you want that. I suggest, from seeing Darren play live and hearing the isolated tracks, that you slide from C sharp here, 1st fret, up to the, nothing past the 8th fret or G sharp. All right, so you want that sound. So back from scratch, you have 3 times the C power chord, the slide, 3 times the C power chord again. All right, and then we have this C sharp octave. All right, in the 2nd octave of the guitar, so 5th string, 6th fret, and 3rd string, 8th fret. They're both C sharp, that's why it's an octave. And yeah, that's basically the first half, so slowly. Alright, and then we have the second part, which basically is just slides, alright? Slides and C power chord, slide and C power chord, so slowly. Alright, so that's the chorus, the shorter chorus. So then we get to the verse, and which starts with this little pre-verse lick, which is very well known and goes sort of something like this. All right, I know you can play it in different ways. I know Darren actually plays it like this, but I just prefer the tightness of the lower frets. So yeah, you do you. Basically, it's a G Frisian walk, and it starts in basically G, all right, open 5th. Then we play, I'll give you the notes if you want to, play it your way. D sharp here, I'm playing it in the 4th string, 3rd fret. Back to D here, 2nd fret of the same string. Open for a C, back to D, 2nd fret. And then we have a hammer on and pull off from C to D and D to C. So you only pick once. All right, pull on and hammer, hammer on and pull off. All right, and then we have this A sharp here, 5th string, 3rd fret, and G sharp, same string, 1st fret. So slowly. All right. Then we get to the verse riffs, which are pretty simple. There's just 3 notes and goes a little something like this. All right. So as I said, it's just 3 power chords. G power chord here in the 5th and 6th string, 7th fret. G sharp power chord, a fret of the same strings. You play that a couple of times. Back to G power chord, and then F power chord, same strings, 5th fret. Alright, and the second half is just the same notes, but you pick up the tempo and play, you pick more, basically, so. And it closes, it's all palm muted, it closes in basically G power chord, palm muted. Alright, flying over a gray bay, and basically you play the chorus. You already know the deal, you get back to the little lick. The verse, and we get back to the chorus, which in the third time basically it's a little bit extended, you know, because Serge repeats, you know, why were the eyes of a horse when a jet pilot. So when you hear that part, you extend it by basically adding C sharp 8. Let me show you how it goes first. I'll play the entire chorus. So. Alright, so that's the extended chorus, which is the way this song actually ends also. And basically the only difference is that you add a C sharp 8 as the closing note, so after every repetition or every bar. So yeah, that's the only difference. Then we get to the bridge, which starts basically with the old G Phrygian walk. But then it turns into a little solo, which basically just starts walking up the scale and then a little descent by the end. So let's take a look at it first. Sorry. It goes a little something like this. Again. Again, there's plenty of ways that you can play this one. I just prefer it that way. Let's take a look at the notes. So it begins in G. It's obviously in G Phrygian, so G open 5th. D sharp, the same all G, D sharp, 4th string, 3rd fret. F, same string, 5th fret. So G, I'm playing it in the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then G sharp, same string, 3rd fret. Back to G. Then A sharp, same string, 5th fret. Back to G sharp. All right. Then C, 2nd string, 3rd fret. Back to A sharp. Then D, 2nd string, 5th fret. Back to C, the same string, 3rd fret. And once you get there, it's all palm muted up until this point. And then once you get there, you do the descent. So let's take a look at what we've got so far. All right, and then we have this little descent. All right, which starts in D sharp, okay, 2nd string, 6th fret. D, same string, 5th fret, and C, same string, 3rd fret, and A sharp, 3rd string, 5th fret. Back to D, C, A sharp, and G sharp again, 3rd fret of the 3rd string. So all right, so that's a little solo, which leads us back to the extended chorus. So And yep, the song ends basically in this C sharp. And yep, that'll be all, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it made sense. I know it's a little confusing. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.